Morning YouTube. So it's been a while since I've done a raw vid. I actually haven't recorded anything all week this week. So it's Friday morning around 9:45. I came in at 7 o'clock this morning actually to get this job ready to go and into the booth because it's got to go today. So yeah, just a Honda Civic. There was a bit of a repair down here on this quarter panel. I actually used some UV primer on that one last night, got it all prepped up, got the entire body of the car, like all the panels that are on the car, ready to go last night. There was another small repair just here. There was a repair over here. I finished that up this morning. So this is just a blend panel. I did fix a couple of stone chips on this panel. Just up the front end there was actually nothing on the blend section on this one, which was good. There was a few stone chips here and there. There was a reasonable size repair through here, which I did 2-pack prime. So I didn't use the UV primer on this panel here. Larger repairs, UV primer isn't really ideal for, I've found, just the smaller ones. And that's a brand new bumper there for the front, this one here, and this was another repaired bumper here. This one here I actually 2-pack primed as well. There was a repair through there and it came through the guts here. And that's about us, so we're ready to start clearing. I just got a nice new tack rag for this one, see if we can get it as clean as possible. So I'll put my respirator on. Oh man, that battery's about to run out. Hopefully we'll get enough battery life out of it. I did have it on charge, it mustn't have been charging for some stupid reason, so hopefully we'll get enough battery out of it. Clean the screen a bit there, a bit of dust on it. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, just got the Pro light as usual. A couple of weeks ago I was doing some trials on the Velvet GPI and that went quite well. So it's cooling down a bit at the moment. Don't have much of a choice but to use fast hardener if the car's to go today. So I didn't keep the clear up this time, so I will be giving it a couple of minutes in between coats. I'll get the first coat down and then what I'll do is go out and change this battery so that we can actually make the entire video. It looks like this battery is just about dead. So I'll go out, change the battery, and that'll give it a few minutes to flash off between coats too. So I've got the boost set to 30 degrees. It must be about 15 Celsius outside, and I'm sorry I've forgotten the translation from Celsius to Fahrenheit. What was it? It was like, what? No, I can't remember. I did know it. Yeah, so just a standard clear in the gun. Velvet GTI Pro Light 1.3 PE20. Yeah, I got a question this morning. I didn't have time to answer because that's coming to work. The guy's like, you know, what fluid tip should I use? So anywhere from 1.2 to 1.4 is pretty safe for base coats, clear coats, direct wash, single stages, and for high build primers you probably want to go like a 1.5 to 2.2. You probably wouldn't go, but yeah, I've found the sweet spot for high build primers is 1.8, and yeah, for sort of like wet on wet or non-sanding primers or sealers, you probably want to go just the same as the base coat, clear coat. So, you know, 1.2 to 1.4 should be fine. So I mixed up 1.3 litres of clear for this job. Should just be enough. Pretty efficient gun, the Pro Light. One of my favourite things about this gun. I sometimes get comments, people are like, oh, you're just sponsored by the Velvet, that's why you're saying that. Well, I'm actually not. I do have a sponsorship through Spray Guns Direct, but they send out all different gun brands, so the opinions are my own, but I do have sponsorship via Spray Guns Direct. Anyway, I'm going to go out and change that battery over, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Let's go. We've got this second coat to put on. Yeah, look, I was just thinking then, like, I find this job pretty damn easy these days, and I had my family, like my mum and a few of her friends, come over a couple of weeks ago. One of her friends said, oh, you know, how's work going now? I said, oh yeah, it's good, mate, it's fine. I said, it's very easy, like I find it very easy. And then she's like, oh, you know, could you find a way of like introducing something a bit more challenging? Could you sort of move, I don't know, into a different field, but in the, I mean, it's the same sort of field obviously, but, you know, find a new challenge. I'm like, you know what, I don't mind a bit of repetitiveness, like, I'm all good, like I enjoy doing this stuff, but I just don't find it very challenging anymore. It's just sort of on autopilot, if you know what I mean. And then what she said after that is, yeah, well, you might not find it challenging, but the next person possibly would, you know. I guess that's just part of mastering something maybe, you know. Might make me sound a bit arrogant, but I still believe I've pretty much mastered the smash repair side of this trade, and results would sort of verify those claims, I guess. That bump is done. Yeah, I like these PPF 850mm pots. They're quite handy for these bigger jobs, you know. Don't have to top up all the time. So yeah, it's nearly morning tea. I'll walk out of this booth and my coffee should be waiting for me if the apprentice is on time, and I'll probably leave this job over morning tea just to sort of like flash off before I do hit base. So yeah, leave it 10 minutes. That's all we get here, 10-minute morning tea. It's quite sick. Gotta smash that coffee down and eat your muffin or whatever. Looking nice and glassy there, gunners. They probably noticed I left the bonnet full large just to give a little bit more flash off time. I mean, I've found for better results, you put your first coat of clear down and leave it like 10, even 20 minutes, and it's just going to let that second coat sit up there nice and glassy and retain a better gloss. Sometimes you're in too much of a hurry, you just got to smash it on, mate, get them out the door. As I say, that's part of this trade, you know, like, you've got to learn when to slow down, when to speed up. It's not all about just getting Ferrari quality grey jobs on every single car, you've still got to do numbers, and you've got to get it done in a reasonable amount of time. Take too long on the job and the boss ain't going to make as much money, you know. That's the extra time you spend on that job could be spent on the next one and making more money on the next one, and in turn making you more money, because the more you do, the more you can ask for. You know, when you're smashing the jobs out to a good quality standard, you're not getting wrong colour matches, you're not getting runs in every job, you're not getting contamination issues or respraying every second job. Then when you turn around to the boss and say, hey mate, I want more money, there's a better chance that they're going to give it to you. As Motivated Painter says, Gabriel, you should add value to yourself. Yeah, I mean, over the years you work with some people and you can just tell their mindset, like their idea of a good day is doing less because maybe they're tired or they don't want to be at work. To me, that's a terrible day. I want to get as much done as I can. There's a few reasons for that, you know, like you can make more money and the boss makes more money, and also I find the day goes quicker. If you just get in and get it done, you ain't got no time to get bored, you ain't got no time to get tired, you know. Get in, smash it out, get on to the next job. Looking good, baby, looking good. So I'll probably give this like maybe even 35-minute bake just to let it cure up that little bit more. As I say, I'll leave it 10 minutes before I do hit bake. Then give it a 35-minute bake because it is going today. Just to make sure it's not going to get tipped and scratched so easily because it's too fresh. That bonnet's actually pretty damn clean, man. That's really nice. That's good for a Friday. The less polishing the better. Our detailer's not here today. Alan's pulled a sickie. And one of the other painters has got to leave for a couple of hours. So yeah, pretty under the pump. I'll give you a quick look over this job. And there's my coffee. So it's morning tea time. Just in time. Just in time, I mean by that. That bonnet looks killer, man. Killer. Couple of nibs, and you're always going to get a few. Nothing major. You know, I'll probably have this thing polished within half an hour, 45 minutes. Once it's all back together. And as I say, I might even do that bonnet while it's off just to speed it up, you know. There's not much to polish in that. Nice factory looking finish. No runs, as you would expect. As I say, mate, I find this job easy. I do find this job quite easy now. There's to my claims that I've mastered this trade. I believe I have. I'm off to have my morning tea. Catch us in the next one. Paint some shit. Woo! Gunman out.